Straight talk or talk straight. Since my memory goes back, I have been hearing that Pakistan breaches ceasefire and Indian forces are retaliating appropriately. I have failed to understand as to what is the appropriate mode or what is the appropriate reply. Innocent citizens are dying, sometimes men in uniform and sometimes civilians. Why? Why can't we have one-time solution? No talk can resolve this solution because people have been talking and talking and talking for 70 years. Now it is the weapon that will decide. It is the muscle power that will decide. Then why not? Let us fight to finish and ensure that not a single bullet is fired from across the border, that is from both sides. We can do it. Why can't we? Instead of dying 2, 3, 5 every day, let us die in lakhs. But die for once and let us kill lakhs across the border also, but finish it forever. But remember, this will not happen. Or it is not most likely to be happen. Because the leaders sitting in parliament have nothing to lose. They don't have their children. They don't have their son and daughters as ordinary soldiers. Because it is the ordinary soldier that die. Until and unless their children die, they will create this problem. It is in their interest to prolong the problem so that their chairs are secure. Same thing is happening in Kargil. They kept waiting till the Pakistani soldiers occupied the heights and started killing our people. Army fought valiantly, dislodged them from the heights, reoccupied the place, and then the leaders started jumping. We have won, we have won. Bloody buggers, you have not won. It is the army that has won. You buggers lost. Because leader is the one who enjoys the confidence of the masses. Today the masses hate. They say leader means best. Leader means corrupt. One so-called great leader, so-called very learned man, wanted to declare the Kargil as island of peace. What nonsense! It is his father's property. Will you declare it? You bloody idiots! It is our ancestral property. Who are you to decide? 1947 onwards, you have been giving land to Pakistan, then to China as if it is your father's property. You buggers sitting in parliament, doling out our property, our ancestral land. Now enough is enough. If you cannot resolve the problem, resign en masse. We will choose another people. And it is far advisable that defense matters are only headed by those, commanded by those whose children are in armed forces as ordinary soldiers. Then only right decisions will be taken. Latest coming to the China's border. Well, so-called LAC. 20 soldiers died. Why not 50? Then 200 and then 2000. What did we do? Let us stop some app. Okay, what will happen? It is a knee-jerk reaction of the very coward people. Let us die not 20, let us die 20,000 or 20 lakh, but finish it forever. Since 50s, China is aggressive, it is advancing. Why are we not replying? This is the high time. People want to know. Please do the needful before the masses lose faith in you and start tearing your flesh. Thanks, gentlemen. Thanks. Think and do the needful. Bye.